User Manual DT550 Integrated CNC and Robot Control System. 1. Main Interface Overview. The upper left corner of the interface displays date, time, running speed, and motor speed. The top area displays the name of the currently loaded program, the system icon, and the title. There is a series of small tools on the right side. Soft keyboard can replace physical buttons to perform start, auto, stop, origin, reset, acceleration, and deceleration operations. Electronic manual, query function description, support keyword search. Calculator, auxiliary calculation function. Handwheel selection tool valid only in manual mode. Enable handwheel mode, set handwheel scale and control axis. The upper right corner is the user login area. It supports operator, administrator, and senior administrator logins and enters the corresponding mode by entering the password. 2. Advanced administrator features available after logging in. Setup menu, configure system parameters. Monitoring page, view input and output status, servo status, and hand controller button signals. Teaching management, select and load the program to be run automatically. Log system. Alarm log, historical alarm record. Parameter log, parameter modification record. Operation log, action operation and maintenance record. Developer options dedicated to system development. Users can ignore. 3. Manual mode operation. Switch the knob to the manual position. Operation guide, customize button positions and functions, and support image import. Axis action. Perform manual fixed position operation. Enable manual intelligent torque operation, learn torque to achieve torque protection. Claw or machine operation, control claw action and associated machine operation. Reserved function, customize signals and operations. Reference point operation. Move to the program set reference point. Set the current position as the reference point. 4. Automatic mode operation. Switch the knob to the auto position. Program operation. Handwheel test run. Use the handwheel to verify the accuracy of the program position. After confirming that everything is correct, click the Start button to run directly. Speed adjustment. Use the up and down keys or the adjustment box to modify the global speed. The shortcut button provides 20%, 40%, 60%, and other speed gears. Operation monitoring area, right side. Display, operation time, cycle, pickup time, output, set output. Display, stack counter, variable status, current step number. Stack management. Select the stack group number. Enable the stop after stacking function, optional. 5. Program loading and running. Switch the knob to the stop position. Enter teaching management. Select a program such as the commonly used one-to-one program and load it. The program name is displayed at the top. Switch the knob to the auto position. The interface shows that the program template has been loaded. Click Trial Run or Start Formal Run to execute the program. In automatic mode, the setting menu only supports viewing the version, data backup, and servo upgrade. 6. Detailed explanation of system settings. Effective in manual mode. Signal settings define the I/O port name and function. Security settings configure arm descent, safety door, silo or claw rotation safety zone. Product settings set processing completion time, output time, valve limit time, lubricant and IOT parameters. System settings manage language, user, system upgrade, version number, login password, IOT, registration information, and menu permissions. Speed settings configure servo acceleration and deceleration time, maximum speed, and smooth action. Servo safety point set machine tool safety zone and silo safety zone. Supports independent configuration of dual machine tools. Position limit set the maximum movement range and safety height of each axis. Machine parameters configure each axis parameter, limit, structure, servo parameters, origin parameters. Stacking settings. 3-point stacking set the tray stacking starting point, x-axis endpoint, and y-axis endpoint. Configure the stacking speed and number of points. Pick and place with the same tray, set the tray return speed and starting point. Multi-layer tray, set the z-axis layer spacing and direction. Multi-group stacking supports advanced configurations such as group-by-group stacking. See the stacking special topic for details. The above is a brief introduction to the operation interface of the DT550 integrated CNC and robot control system.